Hey everybody, it's Mr. Balloon Wizard coming back at you, and today I'm going to show you guys the face of my Spider-Man I did the other day that a lot of people thought was an actual print, and I'm like, no, but thank you. So let me show you what I did, and again, it was a black suited Spider-Man, and here is the face that I drew, okay? And of course, I practiced a little bit, and again, there's some markings on there which I actually would fill in as well with some black to cover that up. But let me show you how I did it. So unfortunately, I didn't see any black round balloons that I had. So, and sometimes you got to think on your feet, right? And I had this pumpkin balloon. So what I decided to do was turn it inside out, okay, for this balloon. And this is what I did because that's all I had, okay? And I did that. And then I had another balloon, which I think this is actually a purple one. I just double stuffed it. Again, you don't have to do that. I know this doesn't look as black as the powder, but it worked. I just double stuffed it, just like that, and inflate it. I added this to my body for my Spider-Man. And let me just inflate it on my filbert pump I'm using. And just tie this like so. Now, yes, you can still kind of see the face of the pumpkin. I kind of drew over that, if you will. Okay. But the first thing I did was I took my edding marker and I wanted to make the web. Okay. So what I did was I looked at the balloon like here. I'm going to draw a line straight down. Like that. Then do a like a plus sign. Hard to do this to show you like that. Then another line, again, I'm going right down the middle here. And doubling it up. Looks like that. I'm going to do another line. So it looks like that. Then what I want to do is I want to start the web, right? So what I want to do is I want to go like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. So it looks like that. Then same thing again. Another line, if you will. And like that. And like that. And like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Another set. Like that. Like that. That. Hard to do this one going this way. That. Like that. Like that. Like that. And one more right here. Like that. So it looks like that. Then what I want to do is see, I want to fix whatever, add in whatever's not filled in, double check it, make it look nice and crisp. If I have to whiten up a little bit more, I will. Okay, that kind of thing. Then I want to do the eyes. So the eyes, we want to sort of be over here, right? This is the center, right? So I want to kind of go over here, go up, Make a circle like that. And then make another one that matches right next to that. Like that. Then fill them in. Hard to show you. Let's do it this way. Fill it in. And then this one, you see the other eye looks a little smaller. I'm just really going to fill that in and look at it and make it a little bit bigger. You're eyeballing it, of course. And fill that in. I'll go this way so you guys can see. So let me see what that looks like. So just check it and outline a little bit more to make sure the sizes look similar. Again, you're eyeballing this. So it's getting the gist of it. Okay, and now we're going to outline this with another color. So I have a copper Sharpie. I think it's kind of cool right here. And I'm going to outline the eyes so they pop a little bit more, especially on the black. Let me look this way. So one looks like that so far. Then this other one, I'll do this so you guys can sort of see this. So it looks like that. Now I'm going to go back here and double check it so I can see it and make sure it's a little thicker. So it looks sharper, right? And again, you can do this. This is for the black suited Spider-Man, of course. You can do this for the red one and what have you. It's just getting the image correctly. And with the white pen marker, paint marker, like I said, you can darken it in a little bit more. That's the gist of it, okay? Then what I like to do as well is see how sometimes on here there's some white that I want to fill in with a dark marker. I might do that kind of thing. Again, sometimes you can see it. It's up to you. But just to kind of cover that up, if you will, at a distance, it looks better. It's not messy looking. You have to be careful with the paint marker. But that's just to get the idea and the gist of it. So again, I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed this. And where did my other one go? It's over here somewhere. I think I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I'm losing stuff. So here we go. We got two. And that is my quick versions of the Spider-Mans. So I hope you guys enjoyed that.